Apple gave us the date on the launch of the iPhone SE 3. Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel, hope you're all doing well. Apple finalizes the date for its spring event and we may see some updates in the iPhone SE 3 compared to its previous generation iPhone SE 2, and we may see iPhone SE 3 in the market very quickly compared to its competitor. Yesterday, Apple set the event for its spring product launch. The event will be on 8th of March 2022 at 10 AM Pacific time. The event does not include the iPhone SE 3 but also other two models, iPad Air with A15 bionic chip and MacBook Pro M2 13 inches. There are a few updates that we can expect from iPhone SE 3 from its predecessor iPhone SE 2020. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below, are you interested in iPhone SE 3 and are you going to buy it? iPhone SE 3 may come with more storage compared to SE 2. Last time, iPhone SE 2 comes with 64 gigs of base model, but rumors are saying we may see iPhone SE 3 at two variants, 128 gigs and 256 gigs, 3 gigs of RAM or 4 gigs of RAM respectively, or 4 gigs of RAM across both models. Some rumors suggest that we may see iPhone SE Plus model, which will have a 5.7 inches display compared to 4.7 inches iPhone SE 3. But the rumors are just rumors and there is no price leak, so we might not see iPhone SE 3 Plus this year. iPhone SE 3 will come with the same design just like the iPhone SE 2, and we may see change in design next year. A better battery life from its predecessor, but capacity is not revealed. Last time we get 1821 mAh in iPhone SE 2, but maybe Apple will optimize the phone to get a better battery backup for the iPhone SE 3. SE 3 comes with the A15 bionic chip and we know that it comes with the 5G connectivity, but this phone is not just a high-end flagship but a very budget-friendly device, so we shouldn't expect much from this. Still, Apple justified the price standing at just $300, which is very competitive, because having a flagship processor makes this phone everyone's first priority. But for that, you need to make some trade-offs. First, a very small display standing at 4.7 inches with big bezels. SE 3 comes with 12 megapixel rear camera and 7 megapixel camera, nothing fancy here. According to the rumors, you will get iPhone SE 3 from store on 10th of March, as it will launch on 8th of March 2022, which is pretty good. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below, are you interested in iPhone SE 3 and are you going to buy it? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.